What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making pulled pork. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need pork shoulder or pork butt, mustard, braising liquid. We're using Coca-Cola, but you can use the braising liquid of your choice, liquid smoke, your favorite barbecue sauce, brown sugar, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, ground mustard, ground cumin, chili powder, dried oregano, and dried thyme. We're going to begin by making our barbecue dry rub. In a bowl, add a half cup of brown sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, a half tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, a half tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of dry mustard, a half a teaspoon of dried thyme, a half a teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke. Mix until combined. Score the pork. Cover the pork with mustard, which is used as a binder. Evenly coat the pork with barbecue dry rub. Be sure to pat the rub on. Do not rub in. Also, the amount of dry rub needed may vary due to the size of your pork. Our pork is 4.5 pounds. If yours is bigger, double the recipe for the dry rub. Wrap the pork in plastic wrap and refrigerate overnight. Unwrap your pork and place on a wire rack. Bake at 250 degrees for 4 hours until the internal heat reaches 160. After 4 hours, remove the pork from the oven and transfer the pork to a Dutch oven. Cover the pork with your braising liquid of choice. We use the full bottle of Coca-Cola. Also add the leftover drippings from the pan. Cover and bake for another 3 hours or until the internal heat reaches 203 degrees. Allow the rest covered for 45 minutes to an hour. Remove the bone and shred the pork. At this point, if you would like, you can add your favorite barbecue sauce. And there you have it, pulled pork. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.